Volunteers who've signed up for this study at Leuven University think they're suffering from workplace burnout. The research team hope they'll find evidence for that in the volunteers' DNA. Each person is given a questionnaire and a psychological assessment. Then the team takes samples of their blood and saliva.
So we will have around 60 participants in each group, and we will collect blood samples from all of them, which will further be used to extract DNA and to do epigenetic analysis. So to look at how burnout or depression could affect gene expression.
DNA is like a series of switches that can turn on and off. The research team here is trying to find out which ones are switched on when we're suffering from burnout, and then cause our cells to produce more stress hormones, making people feel even more exhausted. These blood samples will be tested for the hormone cortisol, which is produced in short bursts when we're intensely stressed, and also put through a sophisticated DNA extraction process, which will show how the genes have responded.
We are aiming to develop a new biomarker for burnout. Burnout is quite difficult to assess in a clinical setting, and also the distinction with depression is often difficult to make.
That means that in the future a blood test could help confirm someone is burnt out, and the team hope that will encourage employers to be more understanding.
I think for the diagnosis, once you can clearly diagnose the burnout, it will help the medical field in the recognition for it, and I also believe it will help society in accepting that burnout does exist.
Professor Godoris says studies show around 1 in 15 workers are on the verge of burnout at any one time, and he hopes the results of this research might convince some of them it's time to take a break. Elena Casas, CGTN, Leuven, Belgium.